Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer. Now, to be honest, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm basically just going to record my trading session. I'm not really going to be doing any teaching or explaining stuff to you. I'm basically just going to film my entire trading session for you. Now, the idea would be to obviously stream it live for you on YouTube, but I'm in the process of trying to figure out how to do that because YouTube changed some of their services lately, and I believe I got to download a software just to start streaming again. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna film my entire trading session for you. I thought I would pause between setups, so you know you're not watching me for 4 hours talking about or rumbling on about nothing. So I took my first sell on USD JPY. As you can see, we entered the sell zone, and I just took basically a sell based off this arrow. We just got a nice, to be honest, this is using more price action, but I entered on the arrow purely because we had a breakup like this, trend down, pull back, and then we've got a nice signal arrow just to kind of confirm that the price is going to at least drop down to hopefully to this level, which as you can see is a previous support area. So that is my my reasoning for selling USD JPY. Anything else isn't really happening. What is GPUSD? Nothing's happening with GPUSD either. So really, again, it's going back to just being patient and waiting for setups to happen. So what I'll do, everyone, in fact, there's clearly been news happen today because there's random spikes like this. Normally when this happens, either there's a speech, news, or something has influenced the market to make such a move like this, because looking at all the currency pairs, they have made some large moves, which GPUSD is on a downtrend at the minute. You can see we've just crossed over here. So yeah, I'll what to do, everyone, again, pause the video and I'll be back when I find my next set of trades. Hi everyone, right, so I've got my, in fact I don't even know what currency pair it is. It is AUD. In fact, I've also got another signal on AUD. Well, I'm going to take AUD USD. Now, I'm not actually following any strategy with this setup. I'm literally just going to take a trade because there's an arrow. Like I said, something I normally don't do, but we'll see what happens. Okay, pretty confident in both of these, mainly because if you look on, let me just wait for the trade to and then I'll take the trade and actually explain to you. So I might actually max this out. Okay, right, that's it. Nicely caught that. Okay, so pop this over like this. Now, again, if I just break this down for you, okay, you can see that we were in an uptrend. Okay, you can see that price is rallied up. Okay, and like I said, I think there was news earlier which forced a lot of currency pairs to just make sudden movements. And as you can see, we pretty much leveled off and pulled back, and really since then we've just gone sideways. Okay, so normally when we do something like this, okay, prices range. In fact, let me just break it down to you even more. I'll zoom in, okay, and we'll break it down from candlestick to candlestick, okay, so you can get a clearer picture. So first of all, you can see that area, just a small slight area, okay, of resistance at the top here. You can see that price has pretty much just been bouncing off it like this, okay, and at the same time price has pretty much been bouncing off this support. Okay, so I'm pretty much confident now that the price has come back up to this zone, signal has popped, and we're going to make a small movement down. So as you can see, this is why I entered a quick 5-minute trade based off this arrow. So again, not really any BD strategy, it's purely just using price action based off the arrows. USD CAD as well, exactly the same as AUD, but doing the opposite. So as you can see with this one, we had a big crash down, price has been bouncing off of support, And yeah, as you can see here, again, another rally off this support line. Oh, I forgot to say, this is a 5-minute chart, isn't it? I keep saying this is a 1-minute chart. That is just how much of the 1-minute charts I trade. It just becomes natural to say that now. So yes, I'm pretty confident again in both of these going to be a winner. My first lot, second lot. So what I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video again and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so as you can see, these trades are nicely coming to, well, nicely going to close on in the money. Apart from that, everyone, I might get another spy on gold. Okay, GPUSD is still crashing hard from this zone at the top here, which is, you can see how the price has crossed over. Price has rejected from this level at the top here and then just crashed down ever since. So we should be pulling back anytime soon, and we should be getting a pullback arrow to take this currency pair GPUSD back down. So hopefully this happens in the next 15-20 minutes. If it does, I will look for a sell on this currency pair. But apart from that, everyone, since this news has happened, price has just kind of been going sideways really. So nothing really else. You can see that initial trade on USD JPY. Our price pull down for a bit and then pull back up. So yeah, again with this, I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so I've got another setup on oh no, I haven't arrows disappeared. Oh no, it's back again. Oh, gone, disappeared, whatever. So yeah, I just want to show you my account history so far. As you can see, pretty much this is what, the 13th. So far we are on a running streak. My results for this week are £1,500. Okay, so just kind of show you, I'm not hiding anything. You know, a lot of you lot say that I maybe edit the videos and show you the losses. As you can see here, you know, I've got a couple of losses down here, but mostly all ITMs, which is where I plan to hopefully keep it. I was going to say I've got no other setups on. Did have a setup on NZUSD, but unfortunately that has now disappeared, everyone. So it looks like I've got a minute. Oh no, arrows appeared again. Okay, so I'm going to pop this like this, zoom in like this, and I'm going to put this again like that, and NZUSD, got it loaded up here. Okay, and again I'm just gonna sell this. This will probably be my last trade for this session. Yeah, so this will be my last trading session for today. I'm gonna go out for some food now, and annoyingly the arrow has disappeared again. Now it's back, now it's going. Now what are you doing? Make up your mind. So I've just got under, well, just over a minute to go. We'll see what happens. Hopefully the arrow stays. Oh yeah, it is going to push up. Here we go. So I normally start to stack my trades as we go into the final 10 seconds. Reason being is because you never want to enter a trade when a candle is still forming, mainly because you don't know what that candle is going to finish like. For instance, in the next 30 minutes, this candle could go red. You don't know, okay? So always wait for at least the final 10 seconds before you make a decision on when to enter a trade. As you can see here, I already know I'm going to enter a trade here. So I'm just going to sit and wait. You see, its price is pushing down. So I'm going to enter a couple now. Okay, that is it. Right, I'm in. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 trades in. Yeah, in fact, I might, if price just, no, I've already dropped a bit. Okay, no, I might enter one more. There we go. Right, so that is me done now. What I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm not going to bore you. I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Hopefully, touch wood, these are all winners. So I should be back. Hi everyone, so yes, a couple of, well, 30 seconds ago, and these are all going to end nicely in the money. So as you can see, a nice 3-0, 3 beautiful setups, literally just taking arrows. Probably the easiest trading session I've had. Not something I would ever recommend doing, purely because you're not really using any analysis. You're basically just taking arrows. You know, notice how, what I will say though is notice how I was using some price action with the arrows. Okay, it's not just taking out every arrow I see. I was using some kind of price action, whether that was support and resistance, as I explained previously in this video. So yes, wait for these last couple of trades to come into the money, and then my account should be now, you can see it dropping again, nice in the money. So I'll pause the video, show you my account now, and I shall be back. So here you go. As you can see, okay, these trades have just given me a nice round figure of 2 grand, which is not bad. I'm literally on something like I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. So I'm on 29-0 just from taking arrows. So yes, I hope you enjoyed that today's video. My name is Jamie Palmer.